बॉस नो यार, ये नो भी बड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होती है. एनीवेज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, मेरा लफ्ज भी खराब हो गया. From now on to the end of Big Boss, we're going to be doing a huge review every day on whatever's happening in the House of Boss. And I'm going to start off by calling, you know who? Yoo-hoo! Come fast. Hello. देखो कितनी शराफत से आ रही है. But Ankita, tell me, I know you're the big boss of Big Boss, right? No, the big boss of Big Boss.
Okay. Yes, I am. Both.
Right? You're both. Tell us, what's the biggest thing about Big Boss that you think?
I think this time it's weird that there are couples inside, yet there's no romance between the couples. Like they're busy flirting with their partners instead of being kuchi-cooing with their girlfriends and boyfriends.
Like who?
Like Keith. He was busy flirting with his partner yesterday instead of kuchi-cooing with Rochelle and Rob. That's what I know.
But isn't that what Big Boss is all about? That you create the controversy so that the whole game gets played?
I know, but couples like, look at Kishwar and Suyash. So they've come in together, they've apparently been together for 5 years. But yesterday you didn't see them interact even once. But Keith on the other hand, who's been with his girlfriend for 3 months, was busy romancing another girl while the girlfriend was getting insecure.
But I believe that the girl that he's romancing, that's Madana Karimi,
yes,
is this huge Salman Khan fan, and apparently she's in his next movie. Keith is going to be doing Keith ke pair pe kulhadi.
That's what Mom also heard, and it's funny how everybody takes away Salman's girl.
I know, exactly. Salman, bye, maaf karna, bye, sorry. But what about the rest of the couples? I mean, there's also Ankit Gera and what's her name? Rupali.
Rupal. So they broke up before coming into the house, or apparently a year ago.
Do you think they'll break up in the house and there'll be happy ending?
I won't be surprised, but the funny part is she nominated him yesterday.
Oh, get out!
She was like, I don't want to see him anymore. He's not being nice. Tada! I have other people here. I need to link up with.
Okay, so link ups are happening there, even though the couples are separate, is what you're saying.
Yes.
Wouldn't it be a better idea if they actually put the couples that are couples together, like Keith and Rochelle, for instance? We'd get a lot of after hours with them.
That would be interesting to watch after lights out.
यार ये पता नहीं Big Boss वाले ना पागल है.
सोच नहीं पाते.
सोचते नहीं है यार.
Next time हम शुरू करेंगे show.
Right, small boss शुरू करेंगे. मैं small boss हूँगा. Okay, what else is happening now? Nominations. Who do you think is going to get out this time?
It'll be very funny. So everybody is targeting Arvind because he snores. So that's what the fights have come to, by the way. Do you remember Dolly Bindra?
I swear, you remember her voice, and everybody would like run for cover. Yeah, those characters. That is
Iman Siddiqui, Dolly Bindra. Now they're fighting over ये खर्राटे क्यों मारता है?
यार -10 हो गए.
-100 हो गए. और बेचारा उठ के बैठा हुआ है. And everybody is looking at him. And then out of all the people, Viveka tell him, go back to sleep because my partner is snoring too.
Oh, okay. So there's a snoring contest.
Yeah, there's a snoring contest.
So focus. What about the eliminations, yeah?
I don't know. Could it be Arvind because he snores too much and everybody has a problem?
But I don't think that's the biggest problem in the house. It never will be in the next 90 days, I'm sure.
I don't know with the way they were fighting over it yesterday, but the rest of them also have Salman connections. You forget that.
Yo. So
Salman sir pe
hai to baki sab kuch theek hai na? We've seen that in past Big Bosses also.
So this time also I guess Vikas is connected with him.
Right.
So is the new girl. Also when it comes to nominations.
Her name is Dikangana. एक नाम बड़े complicated है यार.
You have another name for her.
Diggy. From now on, Dikangana is Diggy. If you don't know that, try to fix it.
Give us the other names as well. What are others?
I think Keith should just be called Kiki. Because Keith's एक पैर है. And Rochelle Maria Rao. वैसे 3-4 किलोमीटर तो इस तरफ भी चलती है, उस तरफ भी चलता है उसका नाम. यार Roshi? Yeah, we fixed 3 names for now, right?
They're all his BFFs. He's given them names. He's going to be chilling with them.
Really? They're out of the House of Boss? Okay, I got something to do for the next 4 months after that.
Okay, so you're sorted.
Okay, coming back to the House of Boss. What do you think is going to happen next? Because now, of course, they're cross-dressing also.
I know, so only one was apparently supposed to take the luggage, right? So you saw Keith wearing the partner's top while Rochelle is giving him the looks. So he thought, अब तो इसको पटाना पड़ेगा, so he went and sat in her lap. Also, I saw, I think there were many others who were wearing एक दूसरे के कपड़े, but nominations.
Focus.
Focus. Nominations.
Who's nominated to get out this time?
So Ankit Kedia is nominated and his ex-girlfriend nominated him. So is his partner Arvind. The ex-girlfriend is also nominated, Rupal, and so is her partner Diggy. Yuvika is nominated and so is Vikas, which was surprising. Also, Yuvika and Vikas have chances of getting out because they are not very controversial as of yet. But we'll have to wait to watch because Vikas is related to Salman.
Okay.
And who else is? So is Suyash. Suyash and his partner Jimmy Sen, they are also nominated.
But his actual partner is not Jimmy Sen, right?
No, his actual.
So they won't go out because they have to have lots of couple action in the house, I'm sure. Anyways, on that note, we kind of closing it for today.
Yes,
right?
we are.
And we'll come back with lots more on Bigg Boss. What you need to do, look up for us, subscribe, and you'll get up to date every day.